Have you been wondering how some designers make some dresses and it looks like it's their skin that you are seeing? I've been in your shoes before and later I got to know the secret behind it. So if this is what you love to learn, then this video is for you. My name is Winnie and you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the tips and secrets that I know about making illusion dresses. So if this is what you would like to learn, definitely keep on watching, like, share and subscribe. Without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. One of the materials that most designers use is called tulle. As you can see in this video that I'm showing you right now, this tulle here is called spandex tulle, and we have some another thing that is called skin mesh crepe. That crepe is thicker than the tulle, but it looks like crepe. So now this spandex skin mesh, we have it in different skin tone colors. You just go to the market and you get the one that matches the tone of your client or yourself, and then you are going to be needing crepe fabric, nude color crepe. It's called skin crepe fabric. That is what is used to line the skin net, and it's actually looking like it's their skin, but it's already lined and decent. If you look really closely, you see that you don't get to see any parts of the person's body, and they will use this skin net or mesh to make the full fabric first before placing the maybe design or doing fabric placement on top of it. As you can see in this video, it is fabric placement that they use, but in some other cases they use this skin illusion crepe to line the fabric. In the case of this dress by Vicky James, she used skin illusion crepe to line the fabric so that you would think that she's not wearing anything under, meanwhile she's wearing something under, and she has just used the shade of her skin as the lining of the dress. Look at this place where she was walking, you will see what I'm talking about. She used it to line the dress, and that is how it is. So it will be looking as if she did not even line the dress at all, but she's already used skin crepe, and that is what she used in this video, skin crepe. But in the case of fabric placement, you're going to be needing spandex net or skin illusion net. So that is basically what most designers use. In the case of this dress by Imagine by Bukola, they also use skin crepe to line it. So basically what you need is either skin tone mesh or skin tone crepe to make your illusion dresses. And when you are making yours, make sure that it is well covered. Some people go ahead to use the mesh alone without covering their body properly, but you can actually cover your body properly and it will still be looking like it's your skin while it's not your skin. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.